Hello. In the last class, I have taught about UPAC name, IUPAC name. IUPAC name. So today, first practice some IUPAC name, then some important phenomenon like homologous series, functional group, that I have taught in the last class. So first, some practice of IUPAC name, IUPAC name. Write IUPAC naming of following organic compound. Following organic compounds. Number 1, HCOOH. Number 2, CH3, CH double bond CH, CH2OH. Number 3, CH3, CH, NH2, CH double bond CH, COOH. Number 4, CH3O, C2H5. Number 5, CH3, CH2, COO, CH3. Write their UPAC naming of the compound. First write this compound HCOOH, CH3, CH double bond CH, CH2OH. And what will be the name of the HCOOH? How many carbon atom? 1. So what will be root word? Meth. And this is oic acid. COOH means oic acid. So it is called methanoic acid. Methanoic acid. Okay. So name of this compound is methanoic acid. Only 1 carbon. So root word is meth, and COOH group means oic group, and so it is methanoic, that is methanoic acid. Now this compound, what is the functional group? OH. So number from functional group side. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. What should be root word? The root word will be but, because 4 carbon means but. Now double one here, carbon number 2, 2 in, or 1 all, 1 all. So name of this compound is but 2 in 1 all. But carbon number 2 a double bond, so in, or carbon number 1 a OH group, so all. So but 2 in 1 all. Next carbon, this is the COOH group, so this is the functional group. So numbering from that side, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now there is a side chain at carbon number 4. 4 amino, NH2 is called amino. 5 means what is the root word? Pent. Now 2 a double bond, pent, 2 in, 1 a oic acid, 1 oic acid. So 4 amino, pent, 2 in, 1 oic acid. 4 a side chain amino, 2 a ki hoche tor in, or 1 a oic acid. 4 amino, pent, 2 in, oic acid. Next, this is called the ether group, ROR. What is the name of this ether? Name of this ether is alkoxy alkane. So this is called alkoxy. How many carbon atom? 1. So methoxy, methane থেকে methoxy, METHOXY, methoxy. Now how many carbon left? 2. So it is ethane, methoxy ethane, methoxy ethane. Alkoxy alkane, this is the number of carbon atom, alkoxy alkane, so it is called methane. Now here, this is ester, COOR. What is the name of the ester? Alkyl alkanoate. Alkyl, what is the alkyl group? CH3. What is the name of this group? Methyl. So methyl, how many carbon? 1, 2, 3. Propanoate, methyl propanoate. So this will be the UPAC name of ester, alkyl alkanoate, so methyl propanoate. So first one only one carbon and COOH group is present, so it is called methanoic acid. Second one 4 carbon, so root word but, at carbon number 2 a double bond, so in. Since in is placed in the middle, so write En, not ENE, and OH group is present at carbon number 1, functional group, so 1 all. Third one, this is the side chain amino group at carbon number 4, so 4 amino, total number of carbon 5, so pent, root word, double bond carbon number 2, 2 in, or functional group carbon number 1, 1 oic acid. So 4 amino, pent, 2 in, 1 oic acid. This is the ether, alkoxy alkane. What is the alkoxy? Alkoxy is always to the smaller carbon atom. So it is not the ethoxymethane, but it will be methoxymethane, methoxyethane, because you add alkoxy at the lesser number of carbon atom. This is the ester, alkyl. This is the alkyl group. Beside alkyl group, how many carbon atom present? 3. So propanoate, alkyl alkanoate. Hello student, any problem about the UPAC naming? Hello student. তোদের তো কোনো প্রবলেমই থাকে না দেখেছি যারা খানিক নাও tell UPAC name of the following compound. Write the UPAC name of following compound, write it in your chat and show me. What will be UPAC name of this compound? CH3, CH, CH3, CHBr, CH2, CHO. What will be UPAC name? Write the answer and show me. Two alkyl pentanal minus negative marks দিয়ে দেবো, জিরো তো বসাবো না, negative marks. How do you get the alkyl? Name the specific alkyl. Numbering, first number the carbon atom. This is the functional group. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The bromine has carbon number 3 and methyl at carbon number 4. Naming them according to alphabetic order. So write 3 bromo, 4 methyl. How many carbon? 5. Pentanal. 3 bromo, 4 methyl pentanal. Okay. 3 bromo, 4 methyl pentanal. Write this compound. CH3, CH, C2H5, CH2, CH, C3H7, CH3. What will be UPAC name of this compound? CH2, CH, niche C2H5, CH2, CH, C3H7, CH3. What will be UPAC name? Can you tell the UPAC name of this compound? Hello? Anyone? First, tell only the number of carbon atom present in the longest chain. Only you tell the number of carbon atom present in longest chain. How many carbon atom present in longest chain? 7. No, wrong. Again count. 5, that is also wrong. You count the number of carbon atom in the longest chain. 8, that is correct. This is the longest chain. Here C2. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here 3 carbon. 6, 7, 8. So 8 carbon is present. At carbon number 3, there is a methyl group. And at carbon number 5, there is another methyl group. So write 3, 5 dimethyl. 3, 5 dimethyl. How many carbon? 8. So octane. All are single bond. So 3, 5 dimethyl octane. Carbon number 3, a methyl group is attached, and carbon number 5, another methyl group is attached. So write 3, 5 dimethyl. Total number of carbon atoms C2 means 2 carbon. 2, 3, 4, 5. Here 3 carbon. 5 plus 3, 8. So 8 carbon. So it is called octane. What will be name of this compound? What will be name of this compound? CH2Cl, CH double bond CH2. Name of this compound? Anyone? Chloropropene, partially correct. You mentioned the number of carbon atom in which the chlorine atom is present. Say propene, here double bond. So 1, 2, 3. Chlorine atom present at carbon number 3. So write 3 chloropropene. 3 chloropropene, not chloropropene. Because chlorine atom may be attached to carbon number 2 or may be attached to carbon number 1. If carbon number 2, then 2 chloropropene. If carbon number 1, then 1 chloropropene. So you must mention the carbon atom, number of carbon atom in which the chlorine atom is attached. What will be name of this compound? Name of this compound? What will be name of this compound? First tell the number of carbon atom present in the longest chain. Number of carbon atom present in longest chain. Pentanoic acid, wrong. You first select the longest carbon chain. Remember the rule. The longest carbon chain must contain multiple bond or functional group if present. In the previous class, when I write the rule for IUPAC naming, the first rule is select the longest carbon chain, and that longest carbon chain must contain functional group or multiple bond if present. So this is the functional group, this is the multiple bond. You number in this way, 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the longest carbon chain. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is not the longest carbon chain. If you number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, then functional group is omitted from the chain. But the chain must contain the functional group. So here, this is the side chain. What is the name of the side chain? C2H5, that is ethyl. So 2 ethyl. 1, 2, 3, 4, that is bute. Bute, double bond at carbon number 3, 3 in, 1 oic acid. So 2 ethyl bute, 3 in, 1 oic acid. This will be the name of the carbon compound. When you select the longest carbon chain, you must select the number of, not only number of carbon atom, but you must show that in the longest carbon chain, the functional group and multiple bond must be present. If you see number here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, then functional group cannot be present in the chain. So you consider the COOH group at the carbon number 1, then 2, then 3, then 4, not 1, 2, 3, 4, because here there is no multiple bond, but here there is multiple bond. So numbering in the left hand side. So 2-ethyl but 3 in 1 oic acid, that will be the name of the compound, not pentanoic acid. Now another type of question, draw the structure of following compound. That means the UPAC name of the compound has been given, you have to draw the structure. Say number 1, methanal. Number 2, ethanol. Number 3, ethanoic acid. Number 4, 2,4-dimethyl hexane 3-ol. Number 5, 3,3-dibromopentanal. And number 6, 2-methyl 3-chloropentan 4-on. 2-methyl 3-chloropentan 4-on. You have to draw the structure of the following compound, that is their UPAC name is given. Reverse process, you have to draw their structure. How it can be possible? Say methanal. First you remember how many carbon atoms are present in methanal? Meth means root word 1. So only one carbon atom is present. And al means aldehyde group. So aldehyde group, what is the structure? This is the aldehyde group, CHO. Now methanal, only one carbon already present, so there is no need to write another carbon. Now you balance the valency 1, 2, 3, 4 height. So HCHO, that will be methanal. Only one carbon and it is aldehyde, so CHO group is present. So it is called methanal. Understood? Hello student. Any problem about the structure of methanal? Now ethanol, all that is OH group, or ethan, that is root word 2. So draw the 2 carbon atom, one is OH. So remaining fill up with hydrogen. So CH3, CH2, OH. This will be the structure of ethanol. Ethanoic acid, ethanoic, eth, that is root word 2. So draw 2 carbon atom, one as acid, COOH. You can write the acid group in this way, COOH, that is COOH, 2 carbon, here 3 hydrogen. So this is called ethanoic acid, CH3COOH. Now 2,4-dimethyl hexane 3-ol. Hex means what is the root word? 6. That is 6 carbon atom is present. So write 6 carbon in this way, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hexane. Now 3-ol, 1, 2, 3, 3-ol. 2,4-dimethyl, here one CH3 group, here one CH3 group. Now remaining fill up with hydrogen, so that each carbon have valency 4. So CH3, CH2, CH, CH3, COH, CH, CH3, CH3. So you fill up this with hydrogen, so that each carbon attain the valency 4. So this will be the 2,4-dimethyl hexane. It is 1, 2, 3, 3 te all ache, 2a methyl or 4a methyl, 2,4-dimethyl hexane 3-ol. Now next, 3,3-dibromopentanal. Pentanal means how many carbon atom? Pent. What is the root word? Pent. Pent means 5 carbon, or al, that is aldehyde group. So 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 aldehyde group. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now 3, 3 dibromo. 1, 2, 3. Here 2 bromine is present. Here bromine and here bromine. 3, 3 dibromo pentanal. Fill up rest of the carbon with hydrogen so that they attain the tetravalence. Here CH3. These are the hydrogen. So this is called pentanal. 3, 3 dibromo pentanal. Hello student, understood? Hello? Any problem about the writing the structure of this type of compound? করতে দিলি তোদের প্রবলেম হয়ে যায় রে, না করে দিলে কোনো প্রবলেম হয় না। Now last one 2 methyl 3 chloro pentan 4 on pentan. How many carbon atom? 5. So 1 2 3 4 5 pentan 4 on 1 2 3 4 4 on 2 methyl CH3 3 chloro Cl 2 methyl 3 chloro pentan 4 on. Now here already 4 carbon, so CH3, here H, here H, or here CH3. So this is 2 methyl 3 chloro pentan 4 on. So in this way you can write the structure of the compound. You can draw the structure. Either the structural formula is given, you have to write the UPAC naming, or a UPAC naming is given, you have to draw the structural formula. Now if cyclic compound is present, say this compound, what will be name of this compound? Here all are 2 hydrogen is present and at the corner is carbon atom is present. There is no need to write this. What is the name of this compound? How many carbon atom present? 1 2 3 4 5. So write there 1 2 3 4 5. 5 means pentan. This is cyclic. So cyclopentanol. Pentanol. Ek number all as OH. So this compound is called cyclopentanol. If this compound, say this compound, here double bond here, here OH here, here Br here. What will be name of this compound? Now you consider how many carbon atom present here. So start from functional group 1, then next to double bond, the 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So bromine at carbon number 5. So write 5 bromo. Cyclohex. Number of carbon hex chota. So cyclohex. Double bond at carbon number 2. 2 in. Cyclohex 2 in 1 all. So this will be the naming of this compound. 5 bromo. At carbon number 5 bromine is attached. So 5 bromo cyclohex 2 in double bond and 1 all. Understood? Such type of cyclic compound. Naming of cyclic compound. 5 bromo cyclohex 2 in 1 all. Five bromo cyclohex 2 in 1 all. Now if you consider this compound, okay, you consider the structure 6 member 1 2 3 4 5 6. The OH group at carbon number 1, because functional group you start from numbering here, then you go either in the left hand side, in the right hand side, but in which side you will go where the multiple bond come first. Here multiple bond come at carbon number 2 and here 2 3 4 5. So write numbering from left side, 1 2 3 4 5 6. Now at carbon number 5 bromine attached, so write 5 bromo. 6 carbon and cyclic, so cyclohex. Hex হচ্ছে 6 carbon আর cyclic বলে cyclo. double bond at carbon number 2, so 2 in, or functional group at carbon number 1, so 1 all. So 5 bromo cyclohex, 2 in, 1 all. Any problem now? Hello? Okay. And now if this type of compound is present, CHO, what will be name of this compound? Now here also cyclic group, but functional group is CHO. Now here number 1 carbon, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now it is cyclopent. So first write cyclopent, 2A in, 2 in, 1A. You don't write L because this carbon is not count in the 5 carbon. Here 1 carbon is present at 1. So this is 1 carbon, this is another carbon. So you don't count this carbon in that cyclic ring. So this is not L, but this is called carbaldehyde. So 2 in carbaldehyde. You have to count this carbon atom. Cyclopent 2 in carbaldehyde, cyclopent 2 in carbaldehyde. CHO group, if you draw the structure, this is the structure. This and this is CHO. Here hydrogen present, এখানে hydrogen দিয়ে fill up করে দিতে হবে. 1 hydrogen, 1 hydrogen. So you number that this carbon as 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4, this is 5. So cyclopent 5 carbon, 2A কি আছে 1 2, 2A কি আছে তো double bond, 2A হচ্ছে double bond, 2 in, আর 1A কি আছে aldehyde, CHO, this is called carbaldehyde. Because this carbon you don't count in the ring, so you have to mention this carbon atom, so it is not aldehyde but carbaldehyde. So this is called cyclopent 2 in carbaldehyde. Okay. Now any problem about this structure? So such type of compound actually not in your syllabus, that will be in the class 11 syllabus. So but you try to solve this type of problem. Now only the straight chain compound with carbon number 4 or up to 5, that is in your syllabus. I have given some homework, you must do it, and the next class you show this. Write the IUPAC name of following compound. Number 1, HCOOH. Number 2, COOH bond COOH. Number 3, CH3 CH double bond CH CH2 CH3 CH2OH. Number 4, CH3 CO CH2 CH C triple bond CH. Number 5, CH3 CH2 COO C2H5. And number 6, CH3O CH CH3 CH3. So you try to do write the IUPAC name of the following compound. I will check in the next class. Okay.